How should you structure an oral argument? If you are preparing for an oral argument in law school, you might be wondering how to make your case compelling and clear. Structuring your argument effectively is key to communicating your position and persuading the judges. Let's break down how to do this step by step. First, start with an introduction and a roadmap. Introduce yourself and briefly state the case you are discussing. Then, provide a clear outline of the main issues you will address. This roadmap helps the judges follow your argument. For instance, you might say, "This court should rule in favor of the appellant for 2 reasons. First, because the court lacks jurisdiction, and second, because the applicable law supports the appellant's position." Memorizing this opening will help you appear confident and prepared. Next, move on to the body of your argument. Discuss each issue in the order you presented in your roadmap. Clearly state your argument for each point and back it up with relevant legal authorities, such as statutes or case law. Highlight key facts that support your position. Be ready to explain how the law applies to the facts of your case. Judges may interrupt with questions, so answer them directly and then return to your outline without unnecessary pauses. When using legal authorities and facts, focus on the most persuasive elements. Know your key legal sources inside and out, as they will strengthen your argument. Address any facts that support your case prominently. If there are unfavorable facts, acknowledge them briefly but counter them with stronger points or legal reasoning. As you wrap up your argument, provide a clear conclusion. State directly what you want the court to do, often referred to as a prayer for relief. For example, you might say, "For these reasons, I respectfully request that the court find in favor of the appellant and reverse the lower court's decision." Lastly, keep some practical tips in mind. Prepare an outline instead of a full script to allow for flexibility when responding to judges' questions. Organize your points as complete discussions so you can easily switch topics if needed. If you are the first speaker in a team, make sure to reserve time for rebuttal and introduce any additional speakers. Maintain a professional demeanor throughout your argument. Speak clearly and manage your time effectively. This structured approach will help ensure your oral argument is focused and persuasive, making a strong impression in both law school and future legal practice.